We'll guide you through how to do a film burn transition After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People look for this tutorial to learn how to create cinematic film burn transitions in Adobe After Effects. It helps them make videos look more professional and visually engaging by smoothing scene changes with light leak effects. Many editors use it for music videos, vlogs, and reels to avoid boring cuts and add a stylish, film-like aesthetic. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import 2 video clips into the project panel. After the clips are imported, place both clips in the timeline and overlap them slightly so the transition area is ready. Once the clips are arranged, import a film burn overlay into the project panel. Drag the film burn overlay into the timeline and place it above both clips so it sits on the top layer. After placing the overlay, change its blend mode to screen or add so the bright burn effect blends naturally with the footage. Next, trim the overlay layer so it only covers the transition area between both clips. Adjust the in and out points so the effect appears at the correct moment. If needed, add brightness or contrast adjustments to enhance the intensity of the film burn effect and make the transition more visible. As the burn effect plays, hide the first clip during the bright flash so the outgoing scene disappears smoothly under the overlay. Then reveal the second clip underneath so the new scene appears through the burn light. This creates a cinematic film burn transition between both clips. After setting the layers and timing, preview the result by playing the timeline from the start of the overlap section. Watch carefully to ensure the burn effect covers the cut smoothly and the second clip appears at the right time. Adjust the timing, blend mode, or overlay intensity if needed. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Check output settings if necessary, then click Render to export the final video. Your film burn transition is complete.